Welcome to my channel, Living Linux. Today I will show you how to play a game with DOSBox. DOSBox is an emulator of DOS or MS-DOS, and that way you can play a lot of old games. You can go, for instance, to dosgames.com, over 1000 free games, and some of them are even the full commercial games. Some are just a demo, or back in those days they called it shareware, where you could play, let's just say, one or a few levels, and they would ask you to pay if you wanted to play the rest of the levels. DOSBox is available in the Manjaro repository, and it's really easy to install. Apply. And it's done. So when you go to games, there you will see DOSBox. And the first thing you probably have to do, and that is something I already did up front, is to download some games. I downloaded Dreamweb. I remember playing this, I think it was on the Amiga, and it is a point-and-click adventure game, and the perspective is top-down. So I already downloaded it and I extracted it. So now we have to mount the directory. Oops. I think we have to do it like this. Okay. So we change to the C drive. And then you can do there. There it is. And with Alt Enter, you go to full screen. But actually, the only thing that full screen does is that, yes, it goes into full screen, but it doesn't scale. Well, we'll skip the intro with escape. And we press escape again. And here we are in the game. So this is your inventory. You can drop things if you really want to, but it's probably better to keep your shoes. And you can walk around. And for instance, examine things, open it. And there's a key. So you can put it in your inventory. And sometimes you really have to look for some small things, like the button for the elevator. and then it tells you you have a feeling that you've forgotten something, so probably it's better to go back. I guess you get the grip of this game already. It's not too complicated to play, but of course you have to find the stuff. And I think it's an interesting story, and I hope you will enjoy this. And when you go to the disk icon, oops, we can also exit again. And I also downloaded Duke Nukem 3D. And I think that one is a demo version or shareware version. As you can see, it's the shareware version. And just pressing enter will get you through the next screen.
Let's rock. Damn, those alien bastards got paper shooting up my ride.
So when you press F1, then press enter to get to the next screen, and there you have an explanation of all the keys that you have to use. Well, because I'm also running the screen recorder, so it might be a bit more choppy than usual. Oops, there's one of the enemies. Well, you can shoot with control, and I think with A you can jump. So, well, I guess there's not much use for anything else here. So I press escape and we'll quit the game. Yes, I'm sure. Sure. And then we're back. Well, on this website you can download way more games, and perhaps there's one that you remember, or perhaps you're interested in retro games, then you can probably find some interesting games here. That's all for now, and I hope to see you again in my next video.